Hey everyone, how's it going? Thanks for stopping by my channel. I'm Danielle LaRocca and I'm here to talk to you. So today we are going to be doing a Jeffree Star haul unboxing of stuff that I've been wanting, stuff that I bought, and I got it last night and I wanted to do the unveiling for you guys. So if you want to see what I have in my Jeffree Star box, then go ahead and stay tuned. So just a couple of things before we get started. Don't know how you found me, but welcome back to my channel. I do beauty, unboxings, hauls, reviews, tutorials. I do some lifestyle. I throw in some of that in my channel as well. So if you're not here for the beauty, then just keep watching because I have like challenges and other cool stuff that you can watch too. Second thing, don't pay any attention to my nails in this video because I tried a product, didn't go as planned. I probably will have that up soon, so if you're watching this, chances are that video is probably already out so you can see my struggles. Just don't pay any attention to my nails. Also, we're still in quarantine. Yeah, we're still in quarantine, you guys. This is crazy. And I was actually really shocked at how fast my shipment got to me. I feel like I literally ordered this maybe 3 or 4 days ago and it's already here. Jeffree has really stepped up his shipping game and I'm just always super satisfied. So I ordered a bunch of stuff on his website and I realized that I've never actually done a Jeffree Star haul, which is really weird because I have a lot of Jeffree on my channel. Actually, my very first YouTube video, I think, is me doing a tutorial on the Androgyny palette. So I'm gonna go ahead and link that in the note cards above so you guys can check that out as well. Okay, let's get into the box. So these are all of the items that I have been wanting for a while. And I just decided to go online and do some shopping around and we're gonna see what's in my box. Whoops, things are falling out. So it comes nicely packaged. It has some, of course, pink tissue paper in the box. It's got my receipt, which I won't be needing that because I don't return anything. So the first thing I have in my box, and I'm super excited about this because when the whole Jeffree and Shane documentary series started coming out and they were showing the conspiracy palette and they were going through all the swatches of everything and that one green color they weren't going to put in the palette, they released a single shadow. And so I'm super excited. It's the shade Put It Back. First impressions, I love the packaging, and stay tuned for future videos because I will be using these and I will do a separate video actually like wearing them or creating a look. But so this is what it looks like. Comes in a nice plastic container. Super nice. I'm probably gonna have to get like a single container or just keep it in this plastic thing until I figure out a case that I'm gonna do. But so this is the first thing I got and I will do a little swatch. So here we go. Ooh. Yeah, buddy, look at that. Super nice. Love it. So I'm super excited about this guy. So that single shadow was $8, just to throw that out there. Okay, the next thing in my box is I finally got the gloss. Yes, I got Shane Glossin. This was $18. And I like the packaging, super cute. Oh, that's a nice size. It's really big, actually. It's So this is what that looks like. And again, don't pay any attention to my nails. Oh, what a fail. Ooh, it opens up really nicely. It doesn't feel sticky. Yes, this is like the perfect gloss. I've been dying for this, and every time I've been wanting to buy it, it's been sold out. Yeah, it feels nice. It doesn't feel sticky or anything. Is there a scent to it? Kind of. I don't know. I can't place what that smells like. Okay, so the next thing is, out of all of the conspiracy stuff, I think this is what I was most excited about. And I feel like I do this on every single one of my videos when I'm doing an unboxing, is I apologize because I had gotten into the box the night before. I got the Velour liquid lipstick shade Shane, and I'm wearing it actually on my lips right now. I'm so sorry, but I wanted this shade so bad. I've done another video where I did a cremated palette look, so don't forget to check that out above, but today I used the cremated palette, and I thought that I would like to try this with the look that I did today. So the Shane lipstick was $18. You know, it comes in the little tube that Jeffree always has. I like the color of this one. It's like a gray top, and then you can see it on my lips, but here is what it looks like. Really pretty. I have to say this shade went on a little streaky. I want to say it's mostly a topper. But I really like the way that it is on my lips. I don't mind if it's streaky. I did have to go into it a few times to get it more thick, but I think this would be even better like over black. I think that'd be sick. The next one I got is Are You Filming? That one too is $18. I feel like I got a lot of lip stuff actually. This is the shade Are You Filming? I think it's really pretty for a red. I don't really have any red, to be honest with you. I feel like whenever I buy red, I look like a clown. So I always stay away from the color red. I like more deeper reds, if anything. But this is what that shade looks like. Really pretty. I can't wait to try this. There's actually, I want to start doing more cosplay on my channel, and there's a character I want to do, and I think that red would be perfect. So that's kind of why I got it. But again, that one was $18. The next thing that I got in my box is the Jeffree Star Blue Blood mini lip bundle. I'm super excited about this. They're so pretty. Those are all the different shades. You have the, you know, iconic Drug Lord shade. You have Ice Tray, Jawbreaker, Blue Velvet, Abused, Diamond, Titanic. Oh, that's pretty. It's very like sparkly. And then I really wanted this one, Medusa. So super excited about this. I will do some swatches for you guys, even though these lipsticks have been out for a while. But if you're new to Jeffree Star and new to my channel, why not? So, and I don't know if you guys knew this, but you can use these shades as eyeshadows too, and in your waterline. So that was Drug Lord. We have Ice Tray. Ooh, super cool. That's a great color. Jawbreaker. Ooh. Yes, I am so excited for these. I want to buy big ones. But I wanted to test these out first, so this is Blue Velvet. Ooh, that's like my favorite color in the whole entire world, that like royal blue. This one is the shade Abused. Oh wow, that's sick. That's Really, really pretty. And then Diamond, which I believe was named after his dog. That's pretty too. My God. The next one is Titanic, and it's like really stuck in here. Okay, so this is Titanic. Oh, that's really pretty. It's got some glitter in it. And the next one that I was dying to try is Medusa. Let's put it up here. Yay, so those are all the swatches. And like I said, these have been around for a while now, but I just thought it'd be fun to swatch for you guys. And that mini bundle, just so you guys know, was $52. So, last but definitely not least is something that I have been dying to get my hands on. Haven't gotten it until today. When it was released, I was in line bright and early when the time was, I think it was 10 o'clock in the morning, and I checked out everything in my cart, but then I got kicked out of the site, and that was when the whole site crashed and all that craziness. But so I finally got the Conspiracy palette. I have the Mini Controversy. That was the only thing I was able to get that day. So I'm super excited to get this. And the Conspiracy palette is $52. This is what it looks like. Ooh, that's really cool. This is what it looks like. Take that plastic protector off the logo. Ooh, yeah, nice and heavy. It's like the Blue Blood palette kind of shape. And then it has the little buckles. Ooh. Yeah, it's really pretty in person. I've seen this stuff all over the internet, but I'm super excited to finally have it. So, again, this has been out for a little bit now, so I'm sure you guys have seen the swatches and everything, but the colors that I'm mostly excited, I'll do little swatches, food videos. This yellow shade I was excited for. So there it is on my finger, and then that is what it looks like. Oh, and let's see, Flaming Hot right there, that pink shade. That's what it looks like on my finger. Come on, zoom. There we go. Right there. Really pretty. So stay tuned for another YouTube video testing out this palette. So that is everything that I have in my box. So I got the Conspiracy palette, I got the Blue Bloods lip bundle, the Why Are You Filming, right? Why Are You Filming? Are You Filming? I got the Shane Glosson, the Shane lipstick, which I love, and the single shadow of Put It Back. And altogether I spent $180.54. All right, well, I hope you guys liked my little unboxing. I just wanted to do that for you. I can't believe I don't have a Jeffree unboxing yet on my channel. It's so weird. But thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to check out my other videos on the sides, and I will see you guys later. Bye, guys.